Welcome. Let's provide answer to this algebraic question. What is the most simplest form of the following expression? So we have x minus 5 divided by x plus 1 minus 5 divided by x squared minus 1 is to x minus 6 divided by x squared minus 1. So this is to simply means both terms can be divided. So this could be the numerator, this could be the denominator. But before then, let's simplify the first bracket. So by solution, we have So with this, what we do is that we look for LCM of the bracket fractions. And you can see this right here is a difference of 2 squared, x squared minus 1 squared. We know 1 squared remain 1. So we can write this as x plus 1 in one bracket, x minus 1. So if this is the LCM, it means it's divisible to both terms. So this will divide itself and remain this. This will go in here and cancel all. So I can use this still as my LCM, which is in the form of this. So now, if I have my LCM to be x squared minus 1, this is going in there, cancelling the plus and give us a negative. So I have negative, that is x minus 1, multiplying x minus 5 as the numerator minus this dividing itself will remain 1 times 5 will give us 5. And that fraction still is to this expression. So what happened? We can simplify the numerator. And if you see from here, since this is going to be a fraction, a product of both this and its opposite, we can expand this in order to get the numerator being simplified. So x will multiply x, and that will be x squared, x times minus 5 will be minus 5x. Then the negative 1 also multiply x to give you negative x, negative 1 times negative 5, positive 5. Then this 5 will now come as negative, still divided by our x squared minus 1. Don't forget to bring in the is to x minus 6, x squared minus 1. So let's take this. If we simplify the numerator, we can see from here that 5 minus 5 will be cancelling. Then minus 5x minus x will give us minus 6x. So right away, we are having x squared minus 6x divided by x squared minus 1 is to x minus 6, x squared minus 1. Alright, so in this case, we know there's a common factor of sx we can factor out, so we can do that. But if we are having a is to b, that simply means we are having a divided by b. Or in another sense, we can say that if I have a over b is to c over d, this is just a division. So you can see it will be a over b divided by c over d, where this is the division that we are talking about. And if we are dividing fraction by fraction, what happens is that the division sign changes to become what? A division symbol, as in the case of this, like this. So this is the same as this, whereby we change this to multiplication, as in a over b times, then we reciprocate the second fraction, meaning d over c. So if this is true, in the case of this is our a, b, c, d. This is going to be changed into division in the case of this. So I'll be having x as the common factor out, x minus 6 You know, when you divide this by x, you get an x. This divided by x, you get 6. Divided by x squared minus 1, then our division, which is taking this form, will be x minus 6, x squared minus 1. So if we agree on that and know that this right here is the same as this, then we can flip the second fraction by saying that x minus 6, x squared minus 1 times x squared minus 1, x minus 6. You see that? We are interchanging the second position, the second fraction, their position, when we change the division to multiplication. So since they are multiplying, it means the numerators are multiplying together, divided by the denominators also multiplying together. So we can cross and cancel. You can see that this, if a bracket is there, is the same as the bracket. So it can take care of this. Then x squared minus 1, x squared minus 1 also cancel. So we are left with only x divided by 1 times 1 over 1. So it means that the simplest form of this expression is just what? X. I believe you get a concept from the beginning. Good. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.